Hello, dear students. I hope all of you are doing well. So, in our previous session, we discussed up to lesson number 3. All question answers are also given to you. I hope all of you have got those things and you have learned those things. And after that, lesson number 3, there is one poem that is called Our Strange Lingo, and that one is excluded from your study. So, there is no need of studying those things or learning those things. But today, we will try to come to this lesson number 4. We will study about this new topic or new lesson. Topic is in Serengeti. So all of you know in Serengeti. Serengeti is a place. It's a national park in Tanzania, and we are going to read about. Why should we read? Because to know about our world. So if you read this one, you will be able to know there are many beautiful places all around this world. Besides the places where we stay, there are many other places. They are wonderful and beautiful places, and also more interesting places are there in the world. So that is why our world is described as a very beautiful planet. Varieties of animals, varieties of plants, varieties of mountain, varieties of people are seen all over the world, and that we should know. When you grow bigger and when you become independent and you are able to move from one place to another place in your grown-up stage, then you can travel around and you can see these marvelous areas or marvelous new places and enjoy your life. Okay. However, for that one, you must have to study now. You must have to do well with your learning in this childhood days. And when you grow up, you can earn a lot and you can spend a lot of money in traveling. However, you see, this story is written by Joy Adamson. So she visited that places and she wrote this her adventurous visiting story in a book that we called Free Forever. Free Forever is the book. There she has described her one visiting there in Serengeti Wildlife National Park. Okay, this national park in Africa. So I think all of you know about Wildlife National Park. So before we start reading all this one, I would like to show you one short video where you can get an idea of the national park. So let us try to see that one first. Okay, now you see this one. This one is a national park. Here you can see one elephant is moving here. Is not so? And this is a place where this people can stay. So this is a tent. Okay. Now this tent is here. One can stay there in the night also. This is the forest, vast forest area where the wild animals are found. So your tent will be placed in such a place. So from there you can see the wild animals moving from one place to another place. This is what the grassland area where wild herbivorous animals can graze, and the carnivorous can also come there to catch them. Okay, here one wild lion is there on the lion is sitting there on the tree. Is not so in Serengeti only. Okay, fine. This is the tent where people can stay. Okay, now you see further. These are open grounds where people can take rest and they can put their tent and stay in the night to watch the animals moving. Mostly the animals will move in the night time. Is not so? So you have to be brave enough to stay there and try to watch them. Okay, if you are afraid, then you may make some kind of noise and they may attack you. Okay, however, you see here is a group of wild bison or wild buffalo are running. Okay, they are running for going from one place to another place. And you can see these are giraffe. Giraffe, they are all grazing, and they can be photographed, they can be videographed. Okay, visitors go very nearer to them and they can take the photographs. These are all again the bison group. Okay, herd of bison. They are all at rest now. Here they are grazing and drinking some water. Okay, and like that way they live their life there. Okay, so these are all interesting things you can see. And similarly you can also see the elephants and lion, tiger, etc. You can see here the elephants are fighting. Okay. They all do whatever they like to do, and they live a natural life there. Okay. Now further we can come and we can see there are these wild elephants are there, and you see they are all grazing, and you see these are ostrich. Okay, these are ostrich, and you see this running one is where this deer. Okay, so ostrich, deer, everything is the found there. So this is evening time in Serengeti. Okay, one more thing I would like to show you here. You can see here the tigers and all. Tigers are very closer to them. Tigers and lions are sleeping here, and visitors are able to see them from very close. But you must have to maintain your safe distance. Otherwise, they may attack on you too. So that's why you have to take care of yourself. Okay. So take yeah, you have to be very clever and wise also. You see this lion, tiger, everything are moving freely in this natural park area or national park area. Okay, so this is all about national park. I hope you got an idea. So thank you very much for watching this one. You can see this lions are sleeping here, and you can take them, you can see them very from a close view. I hope you have got an idea. So thank you very much for watching it.